Hi guys, and welcome back to
Mouthfull!
I feel like we've been away for a while.
Oh, we kind of have.
I know, I've been in Thailand.
I've been in New York.
I mean, look at the tans.
Oh, it's gorgeous. But look at when it's a gorgeous day. I'm
Yes.
feeling really kind of, the spring is sprung.
It has indeed, and we're about to make something that is so easy, so delicious. So let's go. Right, Dom, so I'm making the cocktail today, which is not a surprise, and this is called Stay Hydrated.
Oh, nice. So it's just like water, basically.
Basically, it's just water, but tasty, with a little bit of vodka in it. What are you up to?
I'm going to make a frittata.
I love a frittata.
Just all gorgeous seasonal ingredients, like really yummy, lovely stuff. It's all gorgeous.
Right, so should we start with a cocktail?
Let's do it.
We always like to have something just to kind of keep us, you know...
Lubricated. Something is the word you're looking for.
That was not the word I was looking for.
Moist?
But let's move on. Right, this, like we say, is called Stay Hydrated because, honestly, it's one of those drinks that is very hard to get a hangover with because it's literally...
We can try.
We can try vodka, sparkling water, and lime, fresh mint, and strawberries.
Oh, that sounds so refreshing.
It's gorgeous. Now, you can either put this in a jug.
Yep.
So again, like we've mentioned in other episodes, if you've got friends coming round, get it ready before. Just don't put your ice in until they arrive, and then you can just pour it. Perfect. But I'm going to do them individually just because I think it looks nice, and I've got these fancy glasses.
They're gorgeous.
So I'm going to start by putting some ice in.
Gorgeous.
Which I've already pre-prepared. We're getting good at this because usually we have to go to the freezer and go and get
I was going to say,
it.
do you want me to go and get some ice? You've done it already.
Done it. I'm such a professional. So putting some ice in. Now, what I hate when I go to a bar and ask for lime in my drink is if they do this. All right, love. There you go.
No. The lime is just like, squeeze the bugger.
Yeah, it's like... It's literally the most important bit. So I've got my wonderful lime squeezer.
I thought this was a biscuit crusher.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. And I'm going to do half, maybe a whole lime in each. What do you think?
It's just going to give that real kind of tangy, sherbety flavour. It's going to be gorgeous.
Sherbety?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
I love a bit of sherbet.
I do as well, actually. Yeah. Whilst I'm doing this, do you want to put in, I've already cut up some strawberries. Now, you don't have to use strawberries. You can use raspberries. But taste these because,
Yeah, oh my God. So it's the taste of summer, I think.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Just wipe that up. But yeah, strawberries in there, and not only for the flavour, but for the colour.
Yeah, gorgeous.
So if you put them in there, I'll keep liming. So lime in, strawberries in, and I think actually this next step is really important because it's fresh mints. And it tastes so good in this. Now, when you're using fresh mint, make sure you tear it up. And I don't think you need too much because...
No, you don't want it to overpower it.
Now, is vodka made from potatoes?
Did you know, kids, that you can make vodka out of any vegetable matter that rots down? And this is a local vodka to me.
Really?
Yes, it's just made of Lincolnshire potatoes, which is really exciting.
And it's called the King of Potato Vodka.
King Edward's potato.
Oh, got it. Okay, so we've got our vodka in there. Then we're just going to put in some sparkling water.
This is too easy.
It's so easy, honestly. Do you want to get a spoon so we can give it a bit of a mix? Oh my God, this? So, let's have a mouthful of this.
It's like a kind of drink you want to have on a summer lawn with the croquet in the background.
Wow. This, yeah.
Just a nice string quartet.
Yeah, if you could,
for
yeah.
sure.
And maybe like a fake crown on Dom's head.
Drink you want to have on a summer lawn with the croquet in the background.
Right, guys, let's have a mouthful. Come and have a little taste of this baby. Looks so good. Okay, cheers, guys. Cheers. Okay, see what you think. Very refreshing. Limey, Chris.
Yeah, that's right.
I reckon you could put...
Good.
Right, a few more mouthfuls of this, and now should we go on to the frittata? Thanks, Dom.
Okay, we are making frittata.
I'm so excited about this because I love a frittata. It's so easy, so great for barbecues.
They're just brilliant. It's
Yeah.
kind of like a crustless quiche.
It is actually, I've never thought of that.
Yeah.
Great if you're gluten-free like me.
Brilliant if you're gluten-free, really.
You can't even get it out, you're like, gluten-free.
And the lovely thing as well, like for me, this is going to sound really poncy, but for me, like a frittata or a quiche is like, it marks the beginning of spring, and it's like you can use all wonderful, lovely, local, fresh ingredients.
Yeah.
It's very seasonal. I'm using spring onions, and I'm literally just kind of chopping them into some nice chunks.
Just chopping off
away.
the ends and putting them on my table. That's what the king has chosen for the coronation.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I quite like a coronation quiche. I like the sound of it. I think it's going to be gorgeous, and anything to encourage people to get cooking.
Yes.
In my opinion, I think that's really... Now,
So spring onions, not onions. What's the difference between not putting onions in and spring onions?
I mean, you can use anything. You can use onions if you want. If you don't want to use onions,
Yeah.
honestly put in your favourite things. But I like a spring onion because it just tastes like a little bit more fresh and zesty. It is asparagus season, British asparagus. Just going to chop the ends off.
Oh, I love an asparagus.
Yeah, me too.
Do they really make you wee smell?
There's an enzyme.
It's a genuine question.
It is. There is an enzyme in asparagus that does make your wee smell. But there are some people, I think it's like 0.1% of the population, it doesn't make their wee smell. And those people are like, you know, it's like people with green eyes. It's like really, well, like you.
I've got green eyes. Yep, 2% of the world.
I always say I've got green eyes too, but she never believes me.
Hold on, let me look. No, they're like a bluey hazel.
I'll go with
Anyway,
that.
does your wee smell of asparagus? Are
Yes,
you in the
I'm
one?
not, I'm not in the, yeah.
Let us know below whether your wee smells from asparagus. Okay, so frittata also really. Imagine if people do. Dawn, you know people are going.
Yes, it is
Sorry?
sugar puffs. Yes,
It's like
sugar puffs
sugar
make your
puffs.
wee smell.
No, they do not.
They do.
That little monster.
Should we do a
on the
whole
front.
episode based on what makes your wee smell?
Sugar puffs in a lasagna?
Yeah, you know, your topping technique.
That could be quite. Actually, that could
Cheesy
work,
as well,
Chris.
isn't it? So-
Is it cheesy?
Cheesy sugar puffs, yeah. Are they not?
No, they're like sweet, aren't they, honey?
You're thinking of...
Cheetos, aren't
Oh,
they?
Cheetos! Like,
Sugar
what's
puffs,
it? Cereal!
The honey monster. You
Like
know,
the
the cereal
cereal.
with the honey monster.
This is a really great one as well to just get.
I'm using a very special ingredient. Wild garlic. It's wild garlic season. Wild garlic's kind of same as the onion family.
Oh God, it smells good.
Yeah.
But,
that's really nice.
So it's not a bulb like a normal.
No, it's the leaves, and they grow everywhere in the UK in different woods and forests.
Ooh, this smells good already.
I know. Well, I've already started with the mushrooms.
Okay.
I'm kind of a bit obsessed about cooking mushrooms and cooking them nicely. And I think with a dish like this, normally you'd start sauteing the onions and then add everything else. But I think with mushrooms, they're just a sponge and they soak up flavour. So cook them first. And then once they're cooked, just take them out because you're going to add them back in later.
Can we just give a shout out again? I think we've done it before, but to this olive oil, which is from I can't even say it now. Sitalia. There we go.
Sitalia.
It's my friend G's company, and this is his grandma's olive oil, and it is
beautiful.
honestly the best. We'll put a link below, but it is incredible.
Yeah.
Anyway, carry on.
So we're going to start by sauteing the onions. Oops, I've just dropped an asparagus.
Just dropped a bit. I believe that the dogs will get that.
And I didn't do it while we were chopping, but you want all of that spring onion. Don't stop where it goes green. So, do you want to know why it's called a frittata?
Absolutely. Hold on, let me guess. Frittata. Tart. Fritty. Fried egg tart.
I mean, almost.
Really?
Well, frittata comes from the Italian fried.
Right.
Yeah? And it's essentially like all cultures have this dish. So the Spanish have a tortilla,
Yeah.
the Italians have the frittata. I don't know.
I was going to say, what's ours?
Omelette. So you want these to kind of soften down, and then you want to add the asparagus.
And I do like the asparagus when they're a bit crunchy as well. So
I was going to say exactly that. Yeah, you don't want them soft. You want them to have a little bit of bite to them. Now I'm going to put the wild garlic in.
wild garlic.
Now, if you can't get hold of wild
Sorry,
garlic,
that was my
It was
song for you
beautiful.
there. It was a Rihanna song changed into one about wild garlic.
nice.
Thank you.
Great. You're a beautiful, beautiful singer.
I know, not.
If you can't get hold of wild garlic, regular garlic could just go in at the same time as the spring onion. Let's have the reveal.
Ooh, it's looking very healthy as well.
It's so healthy, isn't it? Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Okay, and then the mushrooms are going to go back in, which is really lovely.
It smells delish.
Oh, it smells so good. And then I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning because...
Okay. You always need a bit of seasoning.
Salt is life, pepper is good. Like, come on, man, it's all great. And then the next thing to go in are the eggs. And I'm going to add a little bit of cream just for some luxuriousness too.
Here's the eggs.
2 hands.
I know. It's a bit rubbish, isn't it, actually? Considering usually... Oh, there he is.
Oh, you got it.
Oh.
Oh my God, it's like... You stick to the cameraman.
I think you should do 1 hand.
Do you think I should try one-handed? Oh, God. Oh, my God, do you see what he did then? 2 at once. What a show-off. Let me try that. How many have we done? We don't even know how many we've done. No, there is so much shell in
It
this.
doesn't matter, shell's good for you.
Oh, my God, OK. How do I do this? Tap it and squeeze.
Good.
It works, right?
Yeah, if we want to eat
Yeah,
shell.
yeah, that worked.
And then we're gonna a little bit of cream. Oh,
Oh.
just, you know, because, oh,
Oh, can't beat a bit of cream.
honestly.
Oh, yeah.
They're gorgeous golden egg yolks.
Oh, yeah, they are. Here we go. So all over. Wow. I haven't got the goat's cheese in.
It's gonna go in now.
Oh.
We're gonna go in with a little bit of goat's cheese.
Please can you put that whole thing in?
Yeah,
Yeah,
or
good.
just like that.
Yeah, just chuck it and I'll just eat that middle bit.
So I'm just gonna crumble this in.
Oh, yes. And you could use feta, you could use cheddar, you could use it all, I suppose, but goat's
Brie
cheese
would be nice as
Oh,
well.
yeah, it would.
Yeah. So you want to let this cook a little bit more on the hob, and then it can just slide into the oven.
I am so excited to eat this. It smells so great already. So
Yeah,
it's been on the
me
hob
too.
about 5 minutes.
Yeah, and then it's going to go into the oven for about 10 minutes or until it's kind of golden brown and bubbly on top.
On 180 we've got it on. Okay. Perfect. Oh, this looks so good.
It looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it.
Okay, so what we're going to do is flip it out.
We're going to flip it out. We're going to, I'm going to flip it onto this board.
I'm going to let you do this because I feel like after the pancake episode, this is not for me. Right. What? Oh my God, you're so, what's happening?
So
Wiggle it on, wiggle it on. Oh God.
Oh,
Okay, we did it. We kind of did it. It smells so good. Let me get a bit of goat's cheese.
Gorgeous.
And now what, just cut it up?
Yeah, we're just going to cut it out.
Okay.
Slide it into it. Oh.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
That looks gorgeous. Yum. I actually love it cold as well,
Yeah, me too.
but I'm looking forward to having a mouthful of this. Wow.
Look at that.
Right, Dawny, there you go.
Chris, there you go.
It's yours.
Lovely.
Let's have a mouthful. Nice, right? Because you've got like the crunchiness of the asparagus and the cream of the goat cheese.
Oh, nice.
Lovely. Well, guys, that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you make these dishes, and we'll see you next week. Bye.